Hi friends, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you how to use an image search for products on Amazon and Google. This is a great way to find something when you don't know its name, but you have a picture of it. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Amazon app installed on your phone or iPad. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. I showed you how to download apps in a previous video, so I'll put a link to that at the end. Once it's installed, open the app and look at the search bar at the top of your page. On the right-hand side, there's a little camera icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Amazon gives you a couple options. You can either take a photo if it's something around you, or you can upload a photo that's already on your phone. I'm going to upload a photo. Let's do that now by tapping Upload. I'll choose my image. Amazon will take a minute to analyze it and then give you some options. You can scroll through and see if any of them are what you're looking for. If it is, you can add it to the cart and check out like normal. Let's try that one more time. After you open the Amazon app, tap on the camera, tap Upload, choose the product you want to search for, make sure this little box is showing the right product. That's not the one I was going to look for. I'm looking for this little hair dryer. So it'll take a minute to analyze it and then show you some products. Scroll through and see what matches your image. If you find a product that matches, go ahead and tap on it. You can see the price and you can see customer reviews. If you're ready to buy, you can just add it to the cart and check out like normal. Start with the camera, upload your image, make sure it's in the window. Amazon will look for similar items. If you find one you want, just look at the details, look at the reviews, and you can add it to your cart. That's how to do it on Amazon. Next, I'm going to show you how to use an image search for products and information. This is perfect if you want to find out more details about a photo or an object. It's a little different than Amazon because you can search not just for a product, but also for information about the item. I'm going to show you from my phone, but you can also use a computer browser to do it. I'll include on-screen instructions at the end of the video if you want to see how to do it from your computer. So we're going to start by opening the Google app. If you don't have the app installed, go ahead and download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once it's installed, tap on it to open. And on the search bar, you'll see a little camera. That's called Google Lens. We're going to open that and search for our image. Works very similar to the Amazon app. So let's look for a product. And it's going to return some searches. It's not just for ways to buy it, but it's also information about the item. Let's go back and do that one more time. This time I'm going to search for information about a photo. So tap on the camera icon, tap on the photos, and then tap on the image you want information about. You can scroll through and explore the results. You might see links to websites where the image appears. You might see information about the object, like the name of a product or a landmark. In this case, it's telling me what the name of this plant is. You can learn about it. Let's do one more. Let's look for another product. Here the results show places where you could purchase the product. So you can upload an image for information or for something that you're looking to buy. That's called Google Lens, and it's this camera icon on the search bar. And that's it. Using an image to search on Google is an easy way to learn more about anything, from products to places. Try it out and see what you can discover. And if you prefer to use your computer to search, stay tuned to the end to see the steps to do it from a computer. Let's briefly talk about what it looks like if you want to do a Google search from your computer. Open a browser like Google Chrome, type google.com in the address bar, and then tap the camera icon, very similar to the way it looks on an app. Then tap Upload a File. Then you're going to choose your file. I'm going to choose the plant again, and then tap Open. And then review your results. That's it. Very similar to using the app. You just have to start with a browser like Google Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with someone else. And if you have a tech issue I can help with, please leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.